A new era of intelligent beings. Standing 3.2 feet tall with 5 degrees of freedom DOF. Powerful Octa-Core processor. OS with an 8.7 touchscreen for seamless control. Engaging via expressive LED eyes and clear audio. Intuitive motion control. Command every move in real-time, direct, responsive, and seamless. Master logic with drag-and-drop blocks, or transition to real-world Python programming.
What is 4 plus 4?
4 plus 4 is 8.
Elevate your robotics lab. Everything a smart classroom needs in one robot.
My name is Nova.
Reliable performance. 3 to 4 hours of working time with 10 all lithium-ion efficiency.